Yo, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get APK files on iOS. How? Well, what we're going to do is go to this website called HexMods. Once you're on this site, you're going to see a ton of modded apps, and you just want to type in APK, and of course, I can't spell. But as you can see, it says APK Downloader. This is the app we're going to use to download APKs in iOS. So I want you to press the download button and it should start to download. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it again. But you could download crazy stuff. Modded Subway Surfers, auto clickers. This is some of the content I've gotten with this APK thing. I got a Dragon City mod, which gave me unlimited money in the Dragon City. I'm trying to show you guys now, but I guess it doesn't want to load. I got a Temu mod. I got tons of stuff. So as you can see, Dragon City mod right there. I got that with the APK downloader. What else do we got here? I got NBA 2K mobile mod, if you can believe that. So that's pretty cool. And I got that as well with the APK downloader. What else is there here? Got a Stickware Legacy mod as well. So that's pretty cool. Let me just show you guys how that one works. Here it is, as you can see. And this is all Android apps. I got McDonald's hack, every single thing, guys, comes from having the APK downloader. And all it is it lets you download the APKs. As you can see, I can add points to the McDonald's app. So pretty cool, guys. So I got a Fishdom mod. I got everything. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you in another video, and peace out.